Good day, people. Let's play Minecraft today and see how it goes. Okay, just waiting. You know what? I'm just gonna go. What must I do? I'll do peaceful for now. Yeah, I think we're going. No, how did the game froze? Never mind. Why is my game so glitchy? Ignore that. So I'm playing on phone, not PC because I don't have one. Yeah. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I thought it's not nice to do with me. I'm fine. I will do a rivals video tomorrow. I will do like 10 free videos tomorrow, I think. So yeah. Sorry if I'm so still because I'm just waiting for Minecraft. So yeah. Okay, we are in. Oh damn, I forgot. No. I'll do a tutorial next week if I have time. Because I'm still going to school. Yeah. So let's get a crafting table. Damn, I forgot that Minecraft works. Damn, what the hell? I'm gonna crash out. Let me just get more wood because this is irritating me. Let's make that and that. There you go. Get that. I have a lot of mods. Not a lot, like I can't talk. Man, it's irritating. Yeah. Let's play and let's get more wood for in case. This mod is like a lot in South Africa, but in America still like it's like not much. but in South Africa it costs like 144. Yeah, so yeah. I live in South Africa, but yeah, I'm still new to this to YouTube with my account because I just have 11 subscribers. Yeah. Okay, let's get food. Where's my axle? Okay, anyways. Why do I need food? It's peaceful mode. Maybe like in the future I will do like in normal mode or hard mode. We just have to see. But I don't want that wood. It is nice, but not like for other for other YouTubers it's nice, but for me it isn't. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, anyways. Sorry for saying yeah. I'm just thinking like about school and that. Let's go. New achievement. Achievement is not bad. I don't know still actually. Let's go. Cool. Do I need gold? But I thought it was iron for a sec. First we must upgrade our things. This is not a nice cave. It's not a cave, it's like I don't know, let's explore and ooh, a dolphin. If I get, can you guys please get me to 50 subscribers? Because I can go live and play Minecraft live. Not Minecraft live, like I can play Minecraft but I'm live. So please subscribe. Yeah. Thank you, Dolphin. That place should be a nice place. First, let me get for torches. If I found like a scary mod, yeah, I will play it. This is taking forever. Now let me get some cobblestone for better pickaxe. Yeah. So let's just craft. Now I left my crafting table. I didn't mind, I found it. My bad. Let's get wood. But I need sticks. I forgot. Now I can get my upgrade. So where I put my old things were extra, it's like there. Then I have more space for more things. I thought I'm gonna die for a sec. Let's mine. Yeah, that's better. I don't recommend. No, I'm just joking. I don't know what I'm talking. My username in Minecraft, I will show you. I think it's at the beginning of the video. I think, I don't know. So, and my my Roblox account is capital letter J, capital letter B, small letters OONE 541. That's my account on Roblox. Yeah. Okay, so I'm doing a survival video, but I don't want to do hardcore because last time I put a mod and the mod disappeared like for like 2 years now. So please subscribe to 50 subs, then I can live stream. You guys can say play that game on Roblox, and you can tell me which edition I'm playing on Minecraft. So yeah, I'm just gonna be quiet for now. So yeah. I'm back, guys. So I forgot to say, if I die, I think, because it's not hard. If I die, like somehow, the video end. Yeah, that's like that for now. And we are 13 minutes in the video now. Like, that's crazy. Like for me, because I don't film like a long time. Yeah, and I think this video will get like 20 views, if that's possible. If this hits 20 subs, I will do a tutorial in Minecraft, and tomorrow or next week or next week I'll do edit rails tutorial. No, I don't want to die, but I'm just gonna be quick. Guys, a village. No way. Let's go. Sorry, sleepily vigil. I'm just gonna sleep here. Then I'm looting your place. What is that in there? Oh never mind. Okay, next house. And just no, not just. But this village is big. I'm going to comments and text the rarest place and I'll put it in my world. Yeah. Let me just break this. There you go. Ooh, that was perfect timing, but I didn't land on it. Womp. Sorry, villager. Again. Weird. Guys, I think I must go now. Because I'm busy. Like, I'm not learning. I just need, because my friends is like I'm ignoring my friends for now. For this video. Okay, let's just leave here. So I guess I must go now. Bye guys. Have a great day, morning, night, or anything. I can't talk. So anyways, have a great evening. Bye. Peace.